Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a timeline to your whiteboard on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the projects button and click on your whiteboard that you have already started. After selecting your whiteboard, you should click on the plus icon that will appear in the left side corner down below. Tap on the templates button and then click on the timeline option at the top of the screen. And within the timeline section, you have a bunch of subcategories such as project timeline, history timeline, timeline infographic, roadmap, process, education infographics, line graph, and history. So here you can find the items within that section, and if you want to insert, just simply click on the relevant one, and in a few seconds you will be able to check out how it looks like. Of course, you can change the shape of it. The color can be edited too, such as the border color, the style of it, the border weight and corner rounding, as well as the font, then the font size and the color of the font, the format, spacing, the position, and you can also lock it so that you won't be able to change it again. If you want to edit text, you should zoom in, tap on the relevant box, and then you should be able to add your own notes or comments as it is said within the box. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.